guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you the difference between sales, gross profit, and net profit. So first things first, you're going to see that we have two profit and loss statements. The one on the left is for a company that sells products, and the one on the right is for a company that sells services. So you can immediately see the difference between these two is that one has a cost of goods sold and the other does not. So how are they different? So they're the same in terms of sales or revenue. So you can see here, there's both of them have income. That's the same. So sales or revenue is actually also called the top line. Most people care about the top line. They want to know what their sales are. But for me, you should actually care about the bottom line. So your net profit is also called the bottom line because it is the bottom line of your profit and loss. And the top line is called the top line because it's the top line of your profit and loss. It's basically that. So the main difference between these two is that you can see the one on the right that only sells services doesn't have cost of goods sold, therefore doesn't have any gross profit. You will only see a gross profit line in the profit and loss when your company sells actual physical products. That's what the gross profit line is for. So it's to see your product sales minus the cost of the products that you sold. That's your gross profit. So that is your profit just on the items you sold before we add any of the overhead or operating expenses. So most people, again, they only care about sales or top line, right? But that doesn't really matter. What you really need to focus on is the profit or the bottom line. Because it doesn't matter if your total income is $1 million or your total revenue / top line is $1 million. If your expenses are $1,100,000, that's still a net loss of $100,000. It sounds nice that you have sales of $1 million, but it really doesn't add any income because you actually made a net loss. So that's the difference between sales / revenue, gross profit, and your net income / bottom line. So if you have any questions, please let me know, comment them down below. But once again, this is Ariel from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Ariel from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.